Channel 3 early warning weather with meteorologist Mike Cameron.
Well, today turned out to be not that bad of a day. As we said, most of us would just enjoy a partly cloudy sky. At times, some of those clouds filled in a little bit. Saw that especially this morning. But who can complain when you have another day where the humidity's low, the temperatures are comfortable, and for the most part, it turns partly sunny. When we take a look out there now, you can see over Hartford, it has been so beautiful. And I think we're going to have another day like this tomorrow. I think that's why I'm mentioning this. We're going to continue on with this weather. It's going to be really nice again tomorrow, just like today. So when we take a look at the sky over Hartford, we are getting a capture of what it will look like again tomorrow. And the same thing at UConn. Stores is looking really nice today. I'm sure campus will be humming tomorrow with people all over the place, meeting each other, new friends being made, and just getting used to life on campus. I remember that myself. It was just such a fun experience. And you can see here's our iCam over New Haven, and it's looking really good at the green. A little bit cloudier there, it seems. And you can see a few clouds on the left in the screen at Old Saybrook, but what a beautiful shot it is, too. Currently, temperatures are still pretty nice, so if you're thinking about whether or not you want to go out on the deck for dinner and you really haven't tested it out over the last hour, at least by the numbers, it looks pretty good. 72 in Hartford, 73 in New Haven. We got 68 in Torrington and 69 in Willimantic. So that's pretty comfortable. Some of us say we might want the sweatshirt towards the end of dinner with this. And one of the nice things about the air is how dry it's been. The dew point, that temperature that's actually a measure of the humidity, as oddly as it sounds, those are in the 50s. And when they're in the 50s, it's nice and comfortable. The other thing about this number, when you're doing some forecasting, when skies are clear and the wind is relatively light, this is actually a good indicator of what the floor would be for temperatures, the potential low, if they go unchanged. So when we take a look at this, I think that's about low 50s to mid 50s is where we're going to go tonight for low temperatures, because we're going to have all of that. We're not going to have a lot of wind. The skies will be clear, and I think the humidity will stay about the same. So I think low 50s will do it for us tonight with a partly cloudy to mostly clear sky. And then tomorrow with partly sunny skies, I think we'll see highs again in the 70s. It's really nice and comfortable for late summer. We are watching a system out to the south. There's a lot of clouds rolling in off the Atlantic Ocean. We've had sort of this easterly flow, and we'll continue to have that again tomorrow. And that could lead to sometimes some patchy clouds, but overall it hasn't been too bad and should continue to be, generally speaking, not an issue. We're more closely, though, watching in terms of inclement weather, what's going on in the tropics. We've got Tropical Storm Dorian. That's this blob you see here with the enhanced satellite. The projection is for that to continue on its westerly track. And then there's this disorganized area of thunderstorms still. It has not organized into a tropical depression or storm, but we will continue to watch this thing go over the Atlantic waters. It'll hit that Gulf Stream. It'll use some of that juice and energy from it to organize a little bit more. And expectations are this should stay out to sea, but it will create high surf for us as we head towards the middle and end of the week. Here is Dorian, and you can see the projection on this would be maybe a Category 1 hurricane for a while, especially as it's crossing pretty close to Hispaniola, but then for it to weaken as it's heading closer to Florida, and that would be happening sometime late in the week, maybe Thursday night or Friday. So here's our futurecast tomorrow's weather today. For us, you can see we are expecting a partly cloudy sky through the overnight hours, and what we will have tomorrow morning is a mainly clear sky. Here's about 9 o'clock in the morning, going through noon and into the afternoon. Notice how at 3 o'clock there might be a fair weather cloud or two, but more of the sky is blue tomorrow. In fact, I think we'll see fewer clouds tomorrow than we did today, but we'll still have that easterly flow. That helps keep temperatures slightly cooler. We'll call for 75 inland, about 73 along the shoreline tomorrow. For Tuesday, we start to see the wind switch so that it starts to get a little warmer, mid to upper 70s, still nice and dry and partly sunny. Wednesday still nice with highs near 80. With a partly sunny sky, but then Wednesday night, Thursday morning, some showers come. Once they leave, back into the 80s we go.
Holiday weekend coming up.
Yes, it is. Wow. Unbelievable, isn't it?
Done. All right.
Yeah, done.